बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear student, I hope that you all are fine and doing well with the blessing of Allah. Dear students, क्या आपने मैथ्स की वीडियोस देखी और अगर आपने अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट किया होगा तो अपना होमवर्क व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें। आओ बच्चों अपनी क्लास शुरू करते हैं। दिस इज़ योर मैथ्स क्लास। टुडे our topic is whole and half. Whole mean पूरा and half mean आधा। Okay students, look at here. I am showing to you something. Then I will tell you which is whole and which is half. Okay students, now look at here. This is a plate and this is a whole plate. देखो बच्चों, ये एक पूरी प्लेट है and this is a plate but this is a half plate और ये आधी प्लेट है। ये पूरी प्लेट है और ये आधी प्लेट है। Okay students, now look at here again. This is a tomato and this is a whole tomato and this is a tomato but this is a half tomato. This is a cucumber and this is a whole cucumber and this is a cucumber but this is a half cucumber. Okay students, now open your book page number 8. Topic is whole and half. This is a square. This is whole square. Now look at here. This square is divided into two equal parts. Each part is called a half. Okay students, now look at here. Color half of each shape. Now you can see this student is coloring half of each shape. You will color like this. Okay students, now this is your homework time. Page number 9 is your homework. Topic is match the given shapes by drawing lines. One has been done for you. Students, you have to match the half picture with half and the whole picture with whole. Okay, my dear students, अपना होमवर्क करके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें। ओके बच्चों, अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
अल्लाहुम्मा अंफ़अना बिमा अल्लमतना वअल्लिमना मा यंफ़अुना वज़िदना इल्मा।